Oh, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to find all solutions of the equation half closed interval 0 to 2 pi of 2 cosecant x plus 5 equals 0. So we're in radian modes and round to 4 decimals. So first thing I do is subtract 5 and then divide by 2. So cosecant of x would equal negative 5 halves. Well, cosecant, well, identities, it's 1 over sine. Then I take the reciprocal each side. Sine of x would equal negative 2/5, or sine x would equal negative 0.4. Then I do sine of x prime, where x prime is the reference angle. And the reference angle is always positive. So sine of x prime would be 0.4, or x would be inverse sine of 0.4. Make sure you're in radian modes. It comes out to 0.4115. Well, the sine, in this interval, the sine's negative in quadrant 3 and 4. So the reference angle, is 0.4115 and in each case. And so x, I didn't draw it in here, but x would be, starting at 0, going around here, be pi plus that value. And then this one here, be 2 pi minus that value. So I'll put that in the calculator and I get these two answers here. Hope it helps.